After you get the answer to a dimensional analysis problem, you should then ask yourself these two questions. First, is the answer reasonable? For example, if you are calculating something that you know should be a very large answer, but you're not getting a large answer, that's a clue that you should go back and double check your work. Secondly, make sure that the units are correct. If the question is asking for a mass, double check that you calculated the correct unit. So maybe you calculated in grams, but the question asks for kilograms. For example, in the problem we just worked, converting 2.5 feet to inches, here's work that I would see quite a bit for a wrong answer. I would see written down on a student's paper something like this, 2.5 feet. Okay, I got to put a time sign on the line. I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So I plug this in the calculator, divide by 12, and I get 2.083. And the student will select that answer on an exam. There's a couple of things fundamentally wrong with this setup. The first thing to notice is there are no units written down anywhere. The student did not write down the unknown. There's no X inches. So you don't know if the units are even correct for what the question was asking for. You have the correct conversion factor, 12 inches is 1 foot, but without putting the units there, this student is incorrectly dividing by 12, where the correct technique shows you that you had to multiply by 12. So it takes a little bit more time, but not much, to write down your units and make sure the units are canceling. This is going to save you selecting the wrong answer on an exam.